If you are visiting our channel for the first time, please subscribe first to get the latest updates. Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn the chain rule for derivatives. This rule is basically used when you came across the functions that are in composite form. That is the function where one function is the function of another. So, as we have also seen in our previous lectures about the composite functions that are of the form that f of g of x or g of f of x, in which one function is the function of another. So keep this in mind that you need to apply this rule at such places. So the formula for the chain rule for derivatives is dy by dx is equal to dy by du multiplied by du by dx. Now keep this in mind, this u can also be t or y or s or any other variable. It depends on yourself that what you basically use in solving the given question. So let's have an example. This is an example where we have y is equals to x square minus 3 whole cube. This is a very simple example. We are starting from the simplest example so that you can have the concept of the chain rule. Then we will move towards the complex one. So this is the function. This is a composite function. How? Here one function is x square minus 3 and the other function is x square minus 3 whole cube. So there are two functions. So when you came across a situation, you need to use the chain rule. So step number 1 for solving the given function for derivatives is the substitution. We'll start with the substitution. How? Let's see. Substitution will be made according to the first function and second function. First function is x minus 3. So I'll replace x minus 3 with x square minus 3 with u. So we have replaced x square minus 3. This is the one function. Then we have to, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now we have to put this equation 2 into the equation 1. So what we will get, y is equals to, replacing x square minus 3 with u, we will get u cube. So this is equation number 3. So these are the two equations that we have got, and solving these equations we will find the derivative of the given function. Now let's move towards the step number 2. So what is the step number 2? Step number 2 is you have to find the derivatives. How? Let's see. So according to the formula, we need to find the derivative. We need to find dy by dx. For that purpose, we need to find dy by du first. Then we have to find du by dx and put the values in this formula. So let's find dy by du first. So dy by du is equals to, you have to keep in your mind that dy by du means you are going to differentiate with respect to u. It means other than u, all the variables or constants will be dealt as constant. You have to deal with them as constants. So dy by du, you have to write it like d by du and replace y with the equation number 3. It means u cube. Now it is clear from here that now the equation is completely in terms of u. So you are going to differentiate with respect to u. So what you will get, as if, in our previous lectures we have seen the x, here we have u. So we will deal it with the same by using the power rule. We have to move the 3 on the side and subtract 1 from 3. From the power we will get 3u square. So this is dy by du. Now we have to find what? Du by dx. So let's find it, du by dx as du by dx is equals to d by dx of, what is u? U is this substitution that we have made. So I'll write x square minus 3 here. So we have to find the derivative of this. Now it is clear from here that d by dx. So we have to derivate here with respect to x. So it means for x square we have the derivative 2x using the power rule, and the derivative of 3 is 0. So I'll write just 2x. Now we have to put the values back in the last step, that is the step number 3. Step number 3 is put values of derivatives in the formula or in the chain rule, and solve. So we have the formula of dy by dx is equals to dy by du dot du by dx. So what is dy by du? Dy by du is this 3u square. So I'll write 3u square. So dy by du is 3u square and du by dx is 2x. So what we have got is dy by dx is equals to, so what we have got is we have to replace the u with x square minus 3. So 3 into x square minus 3 whole square dot 2x. So we have got the derivative as 6x into x square minus 3 whole square. So this is the derivative of the given composite function by using the chain rule. So this is how you can find the derivative by using the chain rule of any composite function. So that's all from today's lecture. In the next lecture, we will see how you can find the derivative of different types of functions like trigonometric or exponential or trigonometric or exponential or other types of functions by using the chain rule. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel math.com for more updates. Thank you.